Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to manually check for updates in your Windows 10 guys. So first things first guys, you want to click on the Windows Start button. It's in the lower left corner, bottom left, or you can right click it and then click on settings, or you could just click on it like a normal person and then click on that gear icon, which is the settings, okay? So next you're going to be brought to this page guys. What you want to do, you're going to see a bunch of different Windows settings. You want to find and click on that update and security option. It's going to you see there it says Windows Update Recovery Backup. So you just want to click on that, and then guys you're going to come to this page. So if you're up to date, it's going to show you that you're actually up to date and backed up. It's going to show when was the last time this was checked. If you want, you can actually just click on a check for updates button to actually download and install any pending updates guys. So once it's actually complete, you actually may be prompted to restart your computer. If you're prompted to restart your computer, just restart your computer, and basically your new Windows will be backed up. Your Windows will be up to date and backed up, guys. And this is very important as it helps you protect your home network. A fully patched computer helps protect your home network and also from ransomware, cybersecurity threats, any other problems. So it's good to, enable automatic updates on your home computer. It's good to keep you and your family safe online, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you have had any problems, and I'll try to assist you. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe